Oh, okay, so the new bushing goes on this little thing, and you just stick it in here, and then you get your clamp, this, pliers or something, and you squeeze it really, really hard and tight, and then your new bushing, where's it at? There it is. The new one is in there. And so now, hopefully, let's see. Oh, gotta find the key. All right. Take the key. Kind of just turn it. Get this booger down here. Where it reaches. Let's see. I'll go. We gotta come back one. Snapped it back on. Put it back in park. Start the car. Okay. There it is. And we are shifting. It's not popping off, which is a good thing. Oh, even when I tug on it, it's not popping off. So, I just fixed my Buick. I'm not putting all this dash stuff back on, maybe for a day or two, but I'm pretty confident I got it done. Alright, remember, YouTube is your friend, and also your other friends that you can call and guide you. Like I said again, John Fowler, thank you so very much, and I hope you're feeling better very soon. Everybody have a lovely weekend. My work is done for today.